Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we're going to make some of everyday farmhouse style home decor DIY. So let's start with DIY number one. For this I got beautiful charger. This I got from Michael's after Christmas sale. Maybe I got for $1 or something. And I painted the center with white acrylic paint, and after the paint dried, and this is one of the home sign that I got from Walmart for 50 cents, and this is one of the tissue paper from Dollar Tree, light green color, and I'm using Mod Podge, and I'm just attaching that on top of this home letters. After the Mod Podge dried, I'm just sanding it down, and I'm going to stick this home letters in the center of the painter surface. And for that I'm just going to use hot glue and permanent glue because this is kind of a little chunky. It might fall down because of the weight, and I'm just sticking that in the center. And these are the beads that I picked out from another sign, and I'm going to paint this with this Waverly green paint, and I'm just going to paint those beads. And then after the paint dried, I'm just inserting them back into this hanger like that, like two small beads and a larger bead after that, and I'm going to stick that to the back of the charger just like so. And these are two of this lamb ear greenery that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just twining it down with one of those ties that come with the garbage bags, and I'm going to attach that on top of the home letters with hot glue. Then I made a bow out of this black and white plaid buffalo plaid ribbon, and I just stuck two of these white flowers on either side of this bow to call it done. And you can either hang it with those hanger, the beaded hanger, or you can place it on an easel to decorate anywhere around the house. And this is like year-round decor, and this is not seasonal, so this is one of the beautiful farmhouse style home decor DIY that I want to share with you all today. I absolutely love this. I think this is my favorite today, and I want to know what your thoughts are, so please let me know. This video would be part of Craft Your Stash collab, and this is hosted by Lisa from Our Grey House and Tammy from the Rusted Willow. I'm going to link the crafting channels of these two creative ladies in my description box, as well as link to the playlist in the description box. And please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number two. For this, I'm going to take one of this beautiful wall art canvas hanger from Dollar Tree, and this I'm going to take off this canvas by just drawing, cutting it down on the edges, and I'm going to place this canvas on top of it. And this is already looking nice without the paint, but I decided to paint it with white acrylic paint. And after the paint dried, I'm just attaching that on top of this the canvas, and I'm just generously taking hot glue and applying all around. And when the glue dried, I'm just taking scissor and I'm cutting down all the excess of this canvas. And I just took some this beautiful green farmhouse style ribbon, and I created a bow and I attached that on top of this sign, and I attached one bead in the center with the two of these beautiful flowers. I thought the greenery won't look nice because the sign already has greenery, so I don't want to disturb that, so I just wanted to attach some white flower which already had like brown lines in it, so it's going exactly perfectly well with this sign. So I just wanted to call it done. I also actually distressed with little bit of an antiquing wax on top of this painter surface to call it done. Isn't this simple and pretty? I just love how this turned out. I hope you would like it too. So let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number three. For this, I got this beautiful towel which has like cute verbiage. Happiness is homemade, and a lot of greenery and those mason jar. I thought like I have to make something out of this, so I'm just pressing it down with this to remove the wrinkles, and I just wanted to create a pillow out of it. So I'm just cutting out this excess white surface from the bottom of this towel, and I'm just measuring exactly the central point, and the borders had like a little white surface, so I'm just bending it down to give like extra support. So I'm just gluing it down towards the inside, and I took one of this cotton yarn and created four of these cute tassels, and I'm going to stick those tassels on four corners. So I got the central point and I'm placing this tassel, and I'm going to stick this with hot glue just like so, and this would be one side, and I'm going to draw straight lines of glue to stick the one side of the pillow, and I'm going to do that to the other side too. And I wanted to create one pocket and the top to fill the filling. You're going to see that in just a second, and I'm going to fill this with all of these plastic bags, and I'm just going to bend it inside just like that. This is a little bit tricky. I just did off camera. I glued the fourth side as well with the two of these tassels on either side, and I fluffed the pillow, and I call this is done. Isn't this simple? Pillow that you can decorate anywhere around the house, maybe in a living room, maybe in a kitchen decor. I don't know, anywhere around the house, I think. And I just love how this turned out, and such a cute farmhouse style everyday decor. And yeah, this is one of it that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you'd like it too. I love it though. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I got one of this beautiful home sign, and I'm going to paint the edges with white paint. This is already pre-made, the sign, so I just wanted to paint the borders with white paint. And after the paint dried, I'm going to create a cute fence in the front. So I just took some of this crafter sticks or the popsicle sticks, and I'm just sticking that around the platform with a generous amount of hot glue to create a cute garden in the front. This already had a nice platform, so all I have to do is create a fence and fill with a lot of Spanish moss, and I created bow with one of this gingham printed ribbon, and I just stuck it on the top with a white bead in the center, and I took some of this white florals and greenery to match the decor, and created a cute garden in the front of the home. Isn't this a beautiful sign? I just love how this turned out. This is already a pre-made sign. I didn't need to do much. I just created a cute fence in the front and call it done with a cute bow, and this is all it needs, and it turned out to be a cute sign, and you can place it anywhere around the house to decorate your home all year long. And yeah, this is one of it that I wanted to share with you all today, and I absolutely love this. I think this is my second favorite today. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this, I got another home sign, and I'm just going to paint the borders with white acrylic paint, and also the letters I'm going to paint it. I'm going to cover those letters with white paint, and I'm going to let it dry. And I got one of these beautiful blessed wooden letters from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint this with black acrylic paint. And I just took some of this antiquing wax, and I'm just going to blend that white paint to look as though I didn't paint it at all. So it's I just wanted to merge with the background, and I just took a little bit of this hot glue and stuck this blessed letters on top of this home. And I think I'm done, but I wanted to attach one cute bow, so I knotted out with one of this gingham ribbon and created a cute knot bow and little greenery on top of the home to call it done. I just love the sign. Is already pre-made. I just wanted to just embellish with a little bit of decoration here and there and turn it into a beautiful home decor piece. So what do you think? I love it. So let me know your thoughts. So wait, we are not done here. I'm going to do some of the hacks. I got this beautiful sign from Dollar Tree recently. I thought like this could also add one more decor into the collection today. So I'm just going to remove the top part which has bathroom on it or letters on it. I'm just going to paint that with white paint, and this is one of the cute sign that I recently got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to attach this wood round. And I don't know why I plucked out that ribbon bow, but I'm just going to reattach it back. So I just took generous amount of hot glue and I stuck it on this painted center surface, and I attached this black and white gingham bow in the center and attach two of the white flowers on either side of the bow to call it done. Isn't this a beautiful sign? And this can go anywhere around the house and year round. And if you like neutral decor, this could be one of the ideas that you can use. This is another one that I wanted to share, and we have some more hacks coming up, so please hang on. This is one of the beautiful canvas that I'm going to paint with this green Waverly paint. And while the paint is drying, this is the canvas. I'm going to attach this bathroom sign on top, and I'm going to, border it down with little bit of the green paint to give like little distressed look around. And I'm going to place it on the easel just like that, and this will go in the bathroom. Before that, I also wanted to attach two of this eucalyptus greenery on either side, and I also wanted to give maybe a flower or bow. Let me see what I think at that point in time. So I'm just going to attach this with a little bit of a hot glue on either side and a white flower to finish the look. Isn't this a cute sign? This can go into the bathroom or just behind the commode or anywhere near the sink. It'll look nice. And yeah, this is another cute decor quick hack, so let me know what you think. These are some of the cute signs that I got from Dollar Tree. I thought I should also include them into this collection, into everyday farmhouse style decor. So I'm just going to remove this plastic casing of this beautiful sign. I just love that greeneries and the beautiful lettering in the center and the watercolor background canvas art in the back. So I just wanted to bring these together and attach that into the center of this canvas art, and I call this is done. I could have attached a cute bow on the top, but I was happy with the look, so I didn't bother much to do it. And this is another cute sign. You can hang it anywhere around the house, and isn't this beautiful? I just love how Dollar Tree has so many beautiful greenery signs that you can decorate year long. And yeah, this is another one that I want to share with y'all. I hope you like it too. So let me know your thoughts. And this is the last one, I promise. And this is one of the cute hexagon box sets. So I'm going to use the outer box. It has nice greenery print on the outside, so I'm going to use the box alone, not the cover. So all I'm doing is going to fill with some of this plastic bags to give like a nice depth to it, and I'm going to fill with a lot of Spanish moss. Then I took one of this black and white gingham ribbon and I attached to the top of the box. I also created a bow and stuck in the center and stuck a lot of this white florals and greenery to finish the look. And this could be a nice neutral decor in everyday farmhouse style. Yeah, and this is another one that I want to share with y'all. Isn't this pretty? I love it. So let me know your thoughts. If you'd like to connect with me on social media, these are some of the handles you can use. This means we reached to the final part of the video, which is the final reveal of all the DIYs today. I'm extremely happy how all these DIYs turned out today, and this could be year-long decor that you can place anywhere around the house, evergreen farmhouse style home decor. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you like some of these ideas and you would like to join with the family, I'll be more than happy. If you can click the subscribe button and join, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon for me to get updated when I upload videos like this. And I want to take a minute to thank you all for taking some time to watch this video and making my day here. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. Like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.